I'm very blessed with a daughter who has special needs. Her name is Morgan. Many times we can't take Morgan to a lot of the parks because of the noise or the lights or whatever the case may be. And as I started talking to parents and caregivers with special needs, I started to find out that that was not the exception, that was more the rule. It was developed with an understanding of putting those with special needs first, but making sure it was a place where everybody would enjoy playing. No one ever is there who's has a special need and says, I wish I could do that, but can't do it. It's ultra accessible.
Whoa!
Morgan's Inspiration Island is the same idea, the same concept as Morgan's Wonderland, except we add water. The beautiful thing about Morgan's Wonderland and Morgan's Inspiration Island is that they are fully inclusive. And for all those who have special needs, they always come in for free. Morgan's Wonderland has about 26 different activities, or 26 different things that you can do, all the way from a catch and release fishing program at our lake to riding a train. We have developed a carousel that takes people who are on wheelchairs, allows people to do things that maybe they thought they couldn't do before. And in doing so, that is so great for not just the family, but the special needs individual's self-esteem. We feel we are accomplishing something every day, every hour, every minute that we're open, because we're truly changing the way in which people feel about themselves. And that's not just for that individual, but for the family members and everyone involved.